We are blessed to have a council that really prioritise the environment and the mitigation and resilience efforts. Engineers, we have a lot to answer for. Urban efficiency is amazing when we want to get from our houses to the city, and we can go on these lovely straight north-south streets and get really where we want to be really fast, and it's super efficient, but it has, I suppose, removed a lot of biodiversity, a lot of trees in the process, and we also have really efficient stormwater systems that take all of our stormwater away and out to the sea. We are engineering new ways to try and integrate nature back into the urban environment and step back some of those issues, using water-sensitive urban design as one of those key techniques, and this sort of represents a TREENET inlet, taking water off of the curb, putting it into the ground to provide water for those trees. So some of the projects the City of Mitcham are doing, we're trying to do better to integrate trees and water with our asset renewals and asset renewal projects, new projects as well. This is Doreen Street in St Mary's, runs parallel to South Road, and it's a regular thoroughfare. Council recently did a bikeway along this road, and we took the opportunity to upgrade it to be more of a streetscape opportunity, improve amenity, but also improve cooling opportunities as well. So we've got down the bottom, we've got permeable paved intersections, which actually have subsurface drainage and take stormwater to the garden beds on the corners of those intersections. And the swale that you can see in the top image, that's a soakage trench that takes, soakage swale that takes water off of the curb and infiltrates it to water those trees in that pocket park. The street itself has numerous TREENET inlets, and we were able to plant an additional 40 street trees in that area as well. Footpaths. There's two types of pavers there. Can anyone see the difference between the two pavers? Bottom one has gaps. So up the top is our impervious pavers, and down the bottom there's tiny little gaps that represent our pervious pavements. So we are doing permeable footpaths in the City of Mitcham as standard, and we have found it's also quite cost competitive. We've got some costs there for our adopted unit rates. Just we have applied it enough and got those unit rates to a point where they are relatively cost competitive, and we have found that they do reduce our maintenance requirements. But again, taking every opportunity to infiltrate. We're doing TREENET inlets quite regularly with our curb renewals, and I recently built these bottomless side entry pits, which I suppose capture little bits of stormwater before it goes out into our pipe system as well. And so that was actually on Doreen Street there. And we're also trying to take opportunities to take back space for trees. So here we've got an example of a street in Clarence Gardens, Winona Avenue, where we've planted trees in the road with a with a tree pit around it, and then a leaky well just next to it to try and create more space for trees.